Now, what is the concept of map? Map is a key value pair. So let us understand the concept of map. Map. Map is a key value pair. Map is a key value pair where key should be unique. Unique. Value can be duplicate. Map is a key value pair where key should be unique, value can be duplicate. Map is a key value pair where key should be unique, value can be duplicate. Syntax. So what is the syntax of a map? Map of key value pair. Map of. Now, is a map is a primitive variable or reference variable? Map is a primitive variable or reference variable? It is a reference variable. That means we need to allocate a memory to start using this. Right. So let us take an example. I am taking create a map with student name as key and phone number as value. Create a map with the student name as a key and phone as a value. So student name is going to be which format? Student name is going to be a string format. Phone number is going to be which format? String format. So what I am going to give? Map of string. Your student name is the key. So student name is a string and the value is the phone. Phone is also string. So I am getting student map equal to new map of this is how I create. Then create a map with city name as key and state name as value. Create a map with the city name as a key and the state name as a value. Create a map with the city name as a key and the state name as a value. So in that case, what we are going to give? City name as a key. City name is going to be string. State as a value. State is also what? String. String map equal to new map of string. Then I am getting create a map with account ID as a key, ID of the account as a key, and account as a value. Create a map with account ID as a key and account as a value. So when I say account ID, we have a data type called ID. So what I am doing? Map of ID, value is what? Map equal to map of. Then we have create a map with account name as a key and list of opportunities as a value. List of corresponding opportunities. Opportunities as well. Now, what is the key? Account name. Account name is going to be which format? It is going to be in the form of string. So we are going to take map of account. What is the value we have? List of. We got account name. String comma list of new map of string stop. So this is how we are going to create. People who follow this. Key value pair. Key should be unique. Value can be duplicate. Last one. Create a map with account ID as a key and list of corresponding contacts as well. Every account record is going to have a list of contacts. So the account ID should be key, list of corresponding contacts should be value. Account ID should be key, list of corresponding contacts should be the value. So what is the format in which we write? What is the map of ID, list of ID. Head boss. This is the format in which we are writing the map. This is the format in which we are creating the map. So people have followed this. Right. Let us go to the next one. We are trying to create the methods. We are going to create the methods. Any query? Last. The problem. Bicycle got నేర్చుకున్నాం. Nothing నేర్చుకో. Right. Now, let us go with the format. Now we are trying to understand the methods. What are the different types of methods what we got and how to use the methods. What are the methods we have and how to use the methods. So what we have here? Methods. The first one. We are going to use put key comma value. So if you say list, if it is a list, how you are going to use list? List is what? We are going to use a keyword called add. If you want to add any elements in the list, we are using add. If you want to add any elements in the set, we are going to use add. But if you want to add any elements in the map, use put. If you want to add any elements in the map, use put. So what was this? Put. This is the method used to add new element into the map. It is used to add a new elements to the map. In the list, if you want to add an element, add we are going to use. In the set, if you want to use any element, we are going to add. We are going to use add to add an element into the set. In the map, if you want to add, what is the method we are going to use? Put. Put is the method what we are going to use. So let us see here. Map of student name as a key, student phone number as a value. Map equal to map of then how do you add these elements? Student map dot put student name as a key, Sham, phone number as a value. You're going to take student map put. This is how we are adding. So student map dot put, name of the map dot put, key comma value. Name of the map dot put, key comma value. This is how we are adding up. Next, let us see. Create a map. Are you clear about this? This is how we are adding the elements to the map. We have next get. Get of key. When you say get of key, it is going to return you the value of the given key. If I give the key, corresponding value is going to be written. If I give the key, corresponding value is going to be written. So what is that get of key? What is the purpose of this? This method, return corresponding value of the given key. The value, this method will return you corresponding value of the given key. This method will return you corresponding value of the given key. Suppose if I have given map of string city map equal to map of string, where I am taking city name as a key, state name as a value. So how do you put the value? City map dot put. I have Hyderabad. I have city map dot put. Bangalore. We have given city name and the capital and the state name. This is how we do. Now I want to retrieve the data. Now what is the value? Value is a string. Value is what? String. So if I give the key, what we are going to get? String value. If I give a key, what you are going to get? String value. So what I am going to do, boss? String state equal to city map dot get off city map dot get off k. If I give k, we are going to get the corresponding value. What is the corresponding value? System dot debug. What is the value we are going to get? So we are going to get, system dot debug. We need to give Bangalore. We are going to get. If I give the key, we are going to get the corresponding value. So the string s2 equal to map dot get off. Then what is the value we are getting? System dot debug. So when you say, again I am giving a TN, you say Chennai. Give the key, we are going to get value. Right, boss? Map dot get off key. What is the key? Chennai. If I give the Chennai, what is the value we are going to get? TN. So get. What is the purpose of get? If we give the key, corresponding value will be written by the map. Map of key value pair. It is a map of key value pair. If I give the key, corresponding value will be written to me. Third one we have. Key set. When it's a key set, what is the purpose of this? This will return set of keys. Key set. It is going to return you what? Set of keys. It is going to return you what? Set of keys. Key set. It is going to return you set of keys. Then I have given map of region. So student roll number is the key and name is the value. Region. I have created a map with the student roll number as a key and student name as a value. How do you put the values now? Student map dot roll number. I give roll number 10. Sham. Student map dot put. This is how we create. Map dot put key comma value. Map dot put key comma value. Now when I say key set of integer key is equal to set of integer key is equal to what is the format? Student map dot key set. When I say student map dot key set, system dot debug. There is a keys. What are the values we are going to get? 10, 20, 30. System dot debug keys. When is a key set? Only the set of keys will come. Is the keys going to be duplicate? Key cannot be duplicate. If you don't accept duplicate, what is the value we have to take? Set. If you don't want to accept a duplicate, so what is the value we have to take? Set. There is a reason. Set of keys are going to be what? Set of keys are going to be what? Set of keys are going to be what? Now when you say key set, we are going to get what? Set of keys. We have to store the set of keys in a set. Why are we storing in a set? Key cannot be a duplicate. Similarly, we have values. When you say values, this will return list of values. When you say this will return list of values, I am going to say list of string values equal to std map dot values. When you say map dot values, it is going to give you what? List of values. When you say list of values, system dot debug. When you print Sham, Kiran, set of values. When you say values, it is going to return you list of values. It is going to return you list of values. It is going to return you list of values. Sham, Kiran, Prasad. It is going to give you what? List of values. It is going to give you what? List of values. I hope I'm clear. Okay. So next, let us take the next one. We have contains key. Contains key. If I give a key, if the key is there in the map, it is going to return you true. Listen, I'll give the time. Right. So when you say contains key, so if I give a key, it verifies whether the map contains the key or not. If the map contains the key, it is going to give you true. So when I say contains key, it will return true. True if the map contains. If the map contains the given key. So what was this example? Let me take the same. So what is the map we have? Key is 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to check. Boolean v1 equal to student map dot contains key. Use. If the key 10 is available in the map, yes, you do. If the 90 key is available in the map, no. Not. So what is that? If you want to insert, put. If you want to retrieve, get. If you want to know all the set of keys, key set. If you want to know all the values, values. You want to check whether key is there in the map, contains key. Then obviously last one. This is for what? So remove all the elements from the map. People have followed this. People have followed.